recovery. Alright guys, so here's the engine block. Looks mighty nice. So what we're going to do now, we're going to lay that into the block. We got our Lucas assembly lube with the calico main bearings down there, courtesy of DCR. So let's get this thing turned over, and we'll get this bed plate off. Alright, there's the bed plate. Now I am gonna install a oil screw right there. That's for the balancing shaft assembly. That's just they recommend you plug that hole, and I have the plug. It's actually in the other engine I pulled out of the car. So because I don't have a tripod, I'm gonna have to set this down and attend to taking this bed plate off with these bolts here. So alright, so for this process, all I did was I coated the bearings, and I used my finger and spread it across the entire surface thoroughly to make sure that the entire surface was covered. Now I can pick up the crank and set the crank inside the block, but I'm going to wait to do the bed plate because I have to drill out that hole, and I don't want to get any debris inside the hole and inside the galleys and stuff like that. So I'll wait to do the bearings on the bed plate, and I'll drill out the hole and put the because I have to put a plug inside that hole so that there's no oil pressure issues or any of that. So let's get this crank inside here. Alright, so the crank is in. Now we just gotta get the bed plate ready for the hole to be drilled out and the plug to be filled, and put the bearings inside that, and then set the bed plate down, and then put the bed plate bolts in. Alright guys, I just got the phone call that the cylinder head is done. I'm going to get it right now. We're going to go find out exactly what they did to it. We're going to see what it looks like. I'm excited, so let's go.